Install the Precedent Rear Body. Before installation, partially remove the protective film from the edges and openings of the rear body. Align and fit the rear body in the factory mounting channels and ensure that the taillight cables are pulled through the rear openings. Push the body into the channels and bumper by starting at the front and progressively work towards the rear. Make sure that the forward and reverse switch wires are pulled through the switch opening. Also, install the two save screw clips by clipping them into the top sides of the opening. These clips would have been set aside from the factory body strip down. Next, fasten the rear body to the battery compartment in 4 locations. Using the saved hardware, install the 2 provided body clips, each with a screw, at the 2 locations at the back of the compartment. The other 2 screws go to the front of the compartment. Peel back the protective film from the taillight openings and connect the taillights to the bucket harness 6-pin connector. Remove the backing from the double-sided tape and position the driver's side taillight so it conforms to the shape of the rear body and bumper. Then fit the taillight trim over the unit. Firmly hold it in place to fasten it to the rear body with the provided hardware. Repeat on the opposite side for the passenger side taillight. With the forward reverse switch in the upside down position, use needle nose pliers to connect the wiring plugs to the FR switch pins in the following order: brown on the R side, orange in the middle, and blue on the F side. Fasten the FR switch to the rear body on the screw clips using the saved hardware from the factory car strip down. Replace the floor mat to conform with the floorboard layout, making sure it's neatly tucked under the dash. And finally, reinstall the factory side trim into the trim clip slots, and make sure the side trim fits over the floor mat as well. Use the 2 save screws to fasten the side trim to the car floorboard. Then secure the side trim to the bumper trim on the side of the car with a small push rivet. Repeat on the opposite side. DoubleTake, because looks matter.